Hello guys, welcome to the multiple choice question series on the YouTube channel Langlet Guide. I am Saurav Rohkle and today I am going to present some MCQs on the topic afterwards on behalf of Professor Sunil Devkar and Professor Balasaheb Rohkle from the exam perspective. But before we start, subscribe the channel if you haven't already and be sure to give a like if you feel the content useful. So without further ado, let's get started. Question number 1. Who is the poet of afterwards? Options are A. Alfred Lord Tennyson, B. W.B. Yeats, C. Rudyard Kipling, or D. Thomas Hardy. Correct option is D. Thomas Hardy. Question number 2. Thomas Hardy was born on 2 June in Brockhampton, Dorset, England. Options are A. 1840, B. 1848, C. 1845, or D. 1740. Correct option is A. 1840. Question number 3. What was Thomas Hardy's father? Options are A. Poet, B. Writer, C. Stonemason, or D. Playwright. Correct option is C. Stonemason. Question number 4. Hardy's mother emphasized the value of dash dash. Options are A. Health, B. Education, C. Morality, or D. Nationality. Correct option is B. Education. Question number 5. Hardy initially trained to be dash dash, working under John Hicks. Options are A. A poet, B. A novelist, C. An engineer, or D. An architect. Correct option is D. An architect. Question number 6. Hardy's earlier works were written in dash dash. Options are A. Prose, B. Verse, C. Sonnet, or D. Epic. Correct option is B. Verse. Question number 7. Which is the first novel of Hardy published in 1872? Options are A. Under the Greenwood Tree, B. Far from the Madding Crowd, C. The Mayor of Casterbridge, or D. The Return of the Native. The correct option is A. Under the Greenwood Tree. Question number 8. Which one of the following novel brings Hardy fame and popularity? Options are A. Under the Greenwood Tree, B. Far from the Madding Crowd, C. The Return of the Native, or D. The Mayor of Casterbridge. Correct option is B. Far from the Madding Crowd. Question number 9. Hardy gives up writing novels as he receives harsh criticism for his dash dash novel. Options are A. Far from the Madding Crowd, B. Under the Greenwood Tree, C. The Return of the Native, or D. Jude the Obscure. Correct option is D. Jude the Obscure. Question number 10. After giving up writing novels, Hardy turns towards the literary genre dash dash. Options are A. Essay, B. Drama, C. Poetry, or D. Biography. Correct option is C. Poetry. Question number 11. Hardy, the English novelist, poet, and a Victorian realist, was died on January 11 at the age of 87. Options are A. 1928, B. 1835, C. 1938, or D. 1948. Correct option is A. 1928. Question number 12. The poem Afterwards was written around dash dash when Hardy was 77 years old. Options are A. 1927, B. 1977, C. 1917, or D. 1719. Correct option is C. 1917. Question number 13. Afterwards is a reflective poem about dash dash. Options are A. Life and Enjoyment, B. Life and Beauty, C. Life and Career, or D. Life and Death. Correct option is D. Life and Death. Question number 14. In the poem Afterwards, Hardy attempts to think about how the world will dash dash. Options are A. Remember him after his death, B. Criticize him after his death, C. praise him after his death, or D. forget him after his death? Correct option is A. remember him after his death. Question number 15. The title of the poem afterwards dash dash to death, but the poem never uses the word. Options are A. prolong or delay, B. prelude or preface, C. alludes or refers or mentions or indicates or suggests, or option D. preface or prologue. Correct option is C. alludes or refers or mentions or indicates or suggests. Question number 16. What does Hardy imagine in the poem afterwards? Options are A. what his contemporaries or people will think of him after his death, B. what his relatives will think of him after his death, C. what his enemies will think of him after his death, or D. what his wife will think of him after his death. The correct option is A. what his contemporaries or people will think of him after his death. Question number 17. In each of the stanzas, Hardy tries to imagine his dash dash in a different time of the year. Options are A. poetic career, B. birth, C. beloved, or D. death. Correct option is D. death. Question number 18. What brings lyrical description of nature and its flora and fauna into the poem afterwards? Options are A. poet imagines his death in a different time of the year, B. poet imagines his life in a different time of the year, C. poet imagines his childhood in a different time of the year, or D. poet imagines his adulthood in a different time of the year. Correct option is A. poet imagines his death in a different time of the year. Question number 19. What is the theme of afterwards? Options are A. death, rebirth and renewal, and mortality, nature and time, B. life, death and career, C. birth, education and marriage, or D. birth, marriage and death. Correct option is A. death, rebirth and renewal, and mortality, nature and time. Question 20. Who is the speaker of the poem afterwards? Options are A. Hardy's friends, B. Hardy's parents, C. contemporary people, or D. the poet or Hardy. Correct option is D. the poet or Hardy. Question 21. The speaker in the poem afterwards uses natural images to talk about dash dash. Options are A. the world of childhood, B. the world before he dies, C. the world after he dies, or D. the present world. Correct option is C. the world after he dies. Question 22. Afterwards by Thomas Hardy is a 5-stanza poem that is separated into sets of dash dash. Options are A. 3 lines, B. 5 lines, C. 4 lines or quatrains, or D. 6 lines. Correct option is C. 4 lines or quatrains. Question 23. When the present has latched its postern behind my tremulous stay is an example of dash dash figure of speech. Options are A. simile, B. personification, C. onomatopoeia, or D. metaphor. Correct option is B. personification. Question 24. Who does the speaker picture as flap its glad green leaves like wings? Options are A. June afternoon, B. May evening, C. April morning, or D. January evening. Correct option is B. May evening. Question 25. When does the dewfall hawk come crossing the shades? Options are A. night, B. morning, C. dusk, or D. evening. Correct option is C. dusk. Question 26. Where does the dewfall hawk alight? Options are A. on house, B. wind wrapped upland thorn, C. mango tree, or D. banyan tree. Correct option is B. wind wrapped upland thorn. Question 27. He strove that such innocent creatures should come no harm. Who is referred to here? Options are A. Bulbul, B. Hawk, C. Eagle, or D. Hedgehog. Correct option is D. Hedgehog. Question 28. What is the new bell's boom? Options are A. Marriage bell, B. Funeral bell, C. Evening bell, or D. School bell. Correct option is B. Funeral bell. Question 29. The title of poem opts for the dash dash afterwards rather than after death. Options are A. Euphemistic, B. Deserted, C. Impolite, or D. Forsaken. Correct option is A. Euphemistic. Question 30. What is the meaning of the word gloom used in the poem? Options are A. Atmosphere of pleasure and sorrow, B. Atmosphere of happiness and sorrow, C. Atmosphere of happiness and grief, or D. Atmosphere of depression and sorrow. Correct option is D. Atmosphere of depression and sorrow. Question 31. The dash dash stanza is the most pessimistic and melancholic moment in afterwards. Options are A. Second, B. Third, C. Final, or D. First. Correct option is B. Third. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.